Guys, the first match is gonna be start the match of Mr. Nisar, Gladiator, and Mr. Amos, Double Trouble. Please come out. Guys, with your loud, with your bottom so far, please say Subhanallah.
Subhanallah.
And you know what is the meaning of Gladiator? Gladiator means to kill everybody. Okay? Topic of Nisar, raise the flag of crow. कौवे का झंडा ऊंचा करो. आगे आ जाओ यहाँ.
Starting with the great name of Allah, who is the most gracious and the most merciful. First of all, I would like to be thankful of my Almighty Allah, because by the grace of my Allah, I got enough confidence to explain my topic. Then I would like to be thankful of my teachers, because by the struggle and effort my teacher, now I am in the arena. Then I would like to be thankful of the organizer of this competition, Sir Nasir, who give us this precious time for explain something in front of you. And then I would like to be thankful the judge who give us the precious time. And then I would like to thank of Amir Saab who give us the precious time. And then all of you. Today my golden and fantastic topic is that rise the flag of crow. My dear brothers, you think that crow is the living thing, but my dear brother, I want to tell you that you see the circumstances of Pakistan, that how much is bad. We have now, there is no respect of Pakistani person, by the reason is that a Pakistani blamed by himself. Whenever we go abroad countries, and you are go on the airport, if the checker said you are Pakistani and you said yeah I am Pakistani, so he said to you that why? The reason of that we are blamer. And who make us? By his self. We are resembled with the crow. Because of the reason there is no dignity for crow, and we like also the crow. My dear brothers, we have to know that how goes Pakistan and how can progress to Pakistan. Subhanallah, when we have that state, we have in the that way which can be. Now we are in that type institute which you know already that our cloth, our institute, everything we know about ourselves. So it means that raise the flag of Pakistan, and I resemble with Pakistan with crow. That's all about my job.
I mean, you are saying that the circumstances of Pakistan are very bad. Man, you don't know who made the circumstances of Pakistan make bad. You person, we person, who makes our circumstances, and on little thing you give abuse to anybody. How can you say people make Pakistan circumstances bad?
My dear, you talking that you are a person and I am a person. Yeah, it's real. But you know who made this circumstances? That is the land mafia. I think you doesn't know about who is the land mafia.
I know.
You see the Yari, there is a lot of gamers. And what are they doing? In the eyes of me, they are good. But you know what is the work of them. What are they doing in the Pakistan? And you see the other party people which are in the eyes of me, there is 20% people educated in the parties, but 80% is uneducated. And you know what is the work of illiterate person? What he do? It is simple, my dear brother. If you take gun and you go on the road, so definitely if you have gun, what do you wanna? that I have become a robber, desperado. So it is our Pakistani words.
Say Subhanallah.
Man, you yourself are Pakistani. Why do you keep the gun with you? Don't keep the gun. Be the regular man as me. You are the biggest robber. That's why you make the bad circumstances of Pakistan.
Well, and as well.
Answer.
I ask the question that you are said. I accept with this.
No, don't.
Maria, are you
Don't
accustomed
ask the
to
question.
listen
Give
me?
me answer. Give
Listen
me
me.
answer.
Are you accustomed
I
to
want
it?
answer.
Are you accustomed to it?
I want answer.
Are you accustomed to do it?
I want my answer.
My dear brother, you do not understand to myself.
I
What
want
I am
my
said in my
I
presentation.
want my
My
answer.
dear brother,
Whatever question I ask, give me my
Yeah, I
answer.
know very well. That, my dear brother, we ourselves, that what we are doing in the Pakistan. That you said we are Pakistani, but we know that we are Pakistani. Listen, everyone, every person have in the heart the fire of nationalism. We know that if the person going on the road, what we said, we are only talking about the nationalism. It means that everyone have fire. So that's why how can possible that we do something?
Subhanallah.
Man, in the presentation you said I compared human with the crow. Crow is the animal that can fly, and the human cannot fly. How can you say?
You said women cannot fly. You see the plane, helicopter. It's not plane. Who make it? Listen, my dear brother. Who make it? Women. And it means that women can fly.
Man, if there is no machine, so how will human fly?
My dear brother, I said that
Man,
they can fly.
give me my answer. If there is no machine, so how will human fly?
There is
Human
a-
will not fly.
My
Machine
dear brother,
will fly.
mine is the machine.
Machine will do that thing.
Mine is the machine which are runner to you.
Man, I know person human make the machine, but the machine is that thing. Whenever it gets rotten, when you see the bike, the engine of bike is not. If you will break the bike, so it will be there. So because the engine gets break, that's why. If
My dear brother, you are go wrong. What is my topic in what
Yeah,
I am
come
said?
right.
I am said about Pakistan.
I'm going wrong, you come
Listen,
right.
you are talking about the engine. What happened in engine? It's made by the person. It's made by the woman. And definitely,
Made-
if the person makes something, it can be bad. So there is no doubt.
Subhanallah.
Okay guys, now I'll tell you something that these guys are belongs to second level. ये जो बच्चे हैं वो सारे सर सेकंड लेवल के हैं, वे सेकंड लेवल में पढ़ रहे हैं और इनके जो टॉपिक्स हैं वो पहले से सेलेक्टेड नहीं है, जो कि अभी रिसेंट है और इनके लफ्ज़ भी रिसेंट है। ओके, थैंक यू।
टॉपिक ऑफ अहमद, फ्लाई विद क्रोकोडाइल्स, मगरमच्छों के साथ उड़ो।
beginning with the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the most beneficent. First of all, I would like to thank of my Allah, then my respectable teachers, Sir Rizwan Sheikh and Sir Faidan Sheikh, who make me able to say something about my topic. And today my golden topic is fly with crocodile. Yes, of course, you have seen many things. That crocodile jumps towards if a hunter kills him, because that jump. That's why I say fly with crocodile. If it jumps, that will run away. If it will run away, so it will not come to it. Because that's why I say fly with crocodile.
Say Subhanallah.
What is the lesson? What is the lesson of this topic?
Ask me question.
My dear brother, what is the lesson? You are divine the topic. What is the lesson of this?
Man,
What will you do?
I think were you sleeping?
My dear brother, you
I
only
think
said
you
that
are
a fly with the crocodile. What is the lesson of this?
Man, even you don't know my topic. Why are you
My
asking
dear brother, I
question?
know that. What is the lesson I am asked simply?
Ask me question. I don't know anything.
What is, my dear brother, if you said this is a lesson, then I can ask.
Ask me question.
Are you accustomed to it?
Ask me.
Give me answer. I
Man,
ask.
if you don't
Are you
have,
accustomed to doing?
if you don't have
Are
question,
you
why
accustomed to
are
doing?
you doing hanky panky? If you don't have question,
Thank you. Are you accustomed to doing? It is a question.
ask me.
It is a question.
How? Come to the mic.
My dear brother, are you accustomed to
Come to
doing?
my topic.
Are you
Come
accustomed to
to
doing?
my topic.
You have no answer.
Sir, change your question.
My dear brother, you said, and I know that if you reply, and the hunter can be killed you. And you know that what is the word of hunter? That the killing. So what is the difference?
Man, that's not the hunter, that's the hunter.
Yeah, no.
Man, if you don't know my topic, so how are you asking question and I am giving you answer that if the hunter comes to you and if a challenger comes to you to kill you, so will you run away from him and will you stand from him?
Why you run away?
Will
You
you
should be
stand-
stand in front of
will you
him.
stand
My
front
dear
of him?
brother,
Will you
if you,
stand?
yeah, will be, yeah,
If you don't have power, will you stand?
yeah. My dear brother, it is not a power. If your hand, also both two hands. If you are away, so what happens? Behind of him, he can do. If you are stand in front of him, so definitely he go ahead.
Man, if I am standing in front of the crocodile, that will eat me, and that's why if the hunter comes, that's why the crocodile runs away and that's
My
flies
dear
over the
brother,
sky.
your topic is that fly with crocodile, not that fly.
So man, suppose I am sitting on the crocodile. When crocodile jumps, I also jump.
No, my dear, you can never sit on the crocodile.
Why?
Because of the reason that if you are sitting here, so how is it possible that you fly with him?
That will fly.
You are saying that you are sitting with him. It is you are accustomed to it.
Sitting with him, not on it.
On it. Are you accustomed to it?
Ask me.
You are said as the Quran. It is not a question.
Guys, Subhanallah for Nisar.
Subhanallah.
Yeah, I'm asked. Give me answer.
Clean your sweat.
I have asked.
Clean your sweat.
I have asked.
I don't know. Ask the question.
You have not answered.
Ask the question.
You said I have no
Ask
answer.
the question.
Thank you, my dear.
Ask the
You have no answer.
Ask the question.
I
If you
ask
ask
next
me question, I will give you answer.
I
If you
ask
ask
next
me, I will
question.
give you.
You do not give me answer. Listen me. Okay. Next question. You are saying that fly with crocodile, and you are defining that if you.
Okay.
First of all, I must have to give my some comments on it. Nisar have a good confidence, but there is some pronunciation problem. And for Ahmed, I am very extremely sorry to say, you are overconfident, you have ability to fight, you must be on arena. You haven't to stand on stage. So, in my